Hello friends, now I share another project Socialog. Socialog is NFT marketplace project. So this is Socialog web page. You can see Socialog white paper, Mind, Socialog beta, then Socialog is web 3 and Socialog NFT owner rule this social NFT marketplace. So this is Socialog. You can see many things in this page. Now I share this project so you can know praise about this project, what are Socialogs, benefit, social network, roadmap and team, mind and platform. You can mind NFT in Socialog platform. Socialog is Web3 metaverse project. So we know Web3 is upcoming future trend. Metaverse also very good trend, you know. So you can see Minding Live and Socialog platform white paper. So praise about Yahoo, the Shutterstock, the Bitcoin News, Newsbreak, uh, Mercant Series, Business Insider, Coinskeeper, Digital Journal. White Socialog. Socialog NFT grants you to sit in one of the world's first virtual DAO centers consisting of only 10,000 NFT holder. Socialog is a place where the platform governance has been given into pupil hands. Socialog NFT also granted active passive income and paid SLG token earned by voting in the DAO stacking your NFT. It's not your average NFT marketplace at Socialog. 12 trade, gold, communities, and rules all in one place. So this is very strong and amazing NFT. So please see this NFT. Very strong this project benefit Socialog DAO. Every Socialog NFT holder became a member of the decentralized autonomous organization DAO and DAOsnet members participate in major Socialog platform designs. Then NFT holder earning. Be active and get paid for it. The more SNAT member participate in DAO activities, the more additional income they can earn, all paid in Socialog SLG token. Step. Holders are available to stake NFT for an additional income paid in the form of Socialog SLG token, which member can exchange for Ethereum. So this is very upcoming future token. So this is interesting site. So the Socialog token SLG is the platform utility token that serve as an additional currency in the marketplace. Users are able to tip content creator with the Socialog token. SLG is also main currency in Socialog metaverse. So this is Metaverse site. Metaverse aim to give its user much more powerful experience than any other metaverse out there. It will be an exciting space open for user to explore and for SNAT member to meet, host events and have open discuss. Social network, metaverse. So this is very emerging NFT. Take and snack peek, Socialog metaverse. So this is 3 NFT 1, 2, 3. This is roadmap section. 2021 Q1 to Q3. The first steps is deep market research as well as letting legal matters, then expressing to top notes advisor. The finalists of blockchain implemented into the platform, which allows launch and social log bidders. This is past already. This is now upcoming roadmap. Long overdue Socialogger NFT sale and DAO donate established soon after that. The release of the Socialog token and the launch of a full version of platform. Next, public IDO metaverse launch and token sale and tips functionally integration. Then the launch of the Socialog app and iOS and Android version, advancing their communities, functionally introduction, group chat, private group, and to members resolved by the smart contract into the NFT collection, NFT launch pattern, functional finally blockchain integration into metaverse. 2023 upcoming future roadmap. Further platform direction are dependent on voting and decision of DAO's NUT. Socialog team, Mr. Style, artist Mark Baria, Star Wizard, artist Mark Baira, forward artist. So this is very upcoming strong project. So friends, please justify this project and invest some money for upcoming future big benefit for us.